Let's count and understand syllables. A syllable is a part of a word that contains a single vowel sound and that is pronounced as a unit. How many syllables does the word alligator have? 4. How many syllables does the word vacuum have? 2. How many syllables does the word sun have? 1. How many syllables does the word cupcake have? 2. How many syllables does the word butterfly have? 3. How many syllables does the word watermelon have? 4. How many syllables does the word cup have? 1. How many syllables does the word spider have? 2. How many syllables does the word volcano have? 3. How many syllables does the word woven have? 2. How many syllables does the word caterpillar have? 4. How many does the syllables the words X have?